So the first thing that you'd want to do is uninstall all those unwanted apps that you have on your phone. That can be things like an extra camera app that you won't use, or say you won't use Hotstar anymore. You can just uninstall it. The next thing that you'd want to do is install lite apps. Now, Lite, lite apps. So, say you use Uber app. Okay, Uber. So the size of this app is 4.8 MB. So Play Store itself shows that there is a similar app available, which is Uber Lite, which is 7.5 MB. Saw it? The size difference between the regular Uber app and the Uber Lite app is massive, and the feature difference is probably not even noticeable. And it's just not Uber, mind you. Say you use Spotify. Okay, this is the regular Spotify app, which is about 22 MB in size, and there is the Spotify Lite app, which is 8.3 MB. So these are just two examples, and there are many other Lite apps like Ola Lite, Facebook Lite, Messenger Lite, and many more. So use these Lite apps to save a lot of space, and also when there is limited network, these Lite apps perform better than the regular apps themselves. When you don't have ample storage, you just do not want to fill your phone with unwanted WhatsApp videos and photos. So just head over to WhatsApp and go to the settings, go to data and network usage, data and storage usage, and then go to media auto download and turn off media auto download for photos, audio, videos, documents. Now this is both for Wi-Fi and mobile data. So you can just download the files whenever you want to, whenever you feel like it's important, and you can just leave out the other messages. Now, just as much as WhatsApp media like photos and videos, the regular text messages in WhatsApp take just as much as space. So just go to some group you're in, click on the three dots, click on more, and then click clear chat. Now deleting media or not depends on which group it is. I'm not going to delete the media, and then click on clear. So boom, all the messages are gone. This saves about 40 to 50 MB at least, because I have not done it since like a couple of years. So yeah, do this in your most active groups and you'll save a lot of space. Reduce the megapixel count of the photos as much as possible. Now this is in 13 megapixel mode, and as you can see, I can click 97 pictures. Now let me change its resolution. So let me put it in 9.6 megapixels, because 9.6 megapixels is still kind of usable. And now you can see I can click 129 photos with the same amount of storage, and 9.6 megapixels is kind of okayish, because from this potato camera you cannot expect stunning images. So yeah, slight difference in megapixels doesn't matter a lot, and you can save a lot of space by reducing the megapixel count, especially if you have higher megapixel cameras like a 48 or 64 megapixel camera.